Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. Boy, do we have a show for you. Lots to get done and a magic at your door box. All right, lots to do on the docket. We do have a magic at your door box. All right, we are announcing our 300 subscriber giveaway.
We are.
And we've got an announcement coming up very shortly, so stay tuned. And finally, today we just hit 400 subscribers. So we've got another giveaway.
We do. It's a good one too.
I know. I'm pretty excited. Pretty excited.
Should we open the box?
I think we're going to open up the box first.
It's got the Beast on the front from
check this out.
Beauty and the Beast.
I love Magic at Your Door and their little characters.
Right?
It's been a while since we've had Magic at Your Door.
No, it's the normal amount of time.
It always seems like it's forever since we've had a Magic at Your Door.
One time per month we get one. Yeah.
We need more.
Okay. Don't tell me that because I can just quickly.
Hey, if we were to get more boxes, we wouldn't have an announcement later in the show.
Right.
Yeah.
Because we wouldn't
Stay
be able
tuned.
to. Yeah. All right. What's the hold up on this box?
These ones are always just super tight.
They're really packaged tightly.
Right. Here, she hates it.
I know, because what's the point of showing you like the inside of the box? I just don't even get that.
I don't know. Maybe there's something in there that. Ooh, look at all the cool foozles.
Gold and red and white foozles.
Yeah.
This is our last box that's free shipping.
Right. They started charging shipping.
Which is fine because most companies do, and it's a flat fee. It's $9.99 for shipping, which is cheaper than it is cost them to ship this. And I know that because we ship things all the time, and so I know this box costs them more than that to ship.
This is at least $20 to ship.
Yeah.
So we're still getting a good deal.
We are.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? We have a code for Magic at Your Door. So we'll put that in the description below.
Yeah.
You save 10% or $10, something like that.
10 something, and then it also helps out the channel so we can continue to bring boxes for you.
Our code is Disney Connections for that discount.
Pretty easy to remember.
And then also they have the little color coding chart here to tell you what the items from the parks, what the cost is on there, because those park items are usually just a color. They don't put the prices on there. So
yeah.
All right. Well, there is that.
All right. I was wondering about the color coding.
What is that?
I know. I saw something. Does that color coding? Can they like change the price to the code?
Yeah, that's why they do it.
That's why they do it. See.
Yeah. What is that? I've never had one of those before.
No, we had one. We had a blue one before.
We did?
Yeah.
No, we didn't.
We have a blue box.
I don't think we've ever had a blue box.
So. Are you taking that out right now?
All right. Well, yes, I am.
Okay. Well, you can show
them.
them.
We have a blue box. I don't want to look. I saw there was a picture on one side, so we have a blue box. Should I wait? Are we going to wait on this?
You know what? Go ahead and open up the blue box.
Let's just open it.
Let's do something totally different.
Do you know what this is?
I don't.
But you said we've gotten a blue box before.
We have gotten a blue box before.
I remember ever getting one.
I'll go check our stack of boxes.
Okay. Oh, you're going to need your knife.
My knife. Cut away.
Yeah. Knife Safety 101. That's a Boy Scout, right? We bought some Boy Scout popcorn today.
We did. I love it. So I don't know if y'all have seen, but the Boy Scouts are out and about right now selling their Trails In popcorn. And because our son was in Cub Scouts and we actually ran the troop, we know all about the popcorn sales.
Yeah.
And every year at this time, I want to support them. So I told you we got one of these boxes before.
I didn't even know that it came in this box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
I
Like,
totally
kinda
forgot what
thought-
was in the box, but I
Right?
knew we had gotten one.
I kind of thought we were getting one. I think they said that everybody that wanted one was going to get one.
That
but it's the
is totally awesome.
Beauty and the Beast goblet.
Wow.
And it's got the Beast. Is that focusing?
No.
Why not?
Well, because I need to change that up.
Well, anyway, so there it is. And it's super heavy and it's super pretty. Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so I'm going to show you the different pictures. So there's the rose. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
That is really cool. It matches their pin for this month that was on the paper. Yeah.
So there it is.
That's pretty cool.
So we have one of these for the Ravenclaw house. They made, Harry Potter made them. So we have one Beauty and the Beast and one Ravenclaw.
That's pretty cool.
Awesome. I love it. Okay, what else?
Awesome. All right, let's see.
What is that?
What
is that? It's huge.
Oh my goodness gracious.
What is that? I've never seen it before.
I'm not exactly sure what this is.
It's Star Wars.
Like, it's totally Star Wars.
Which, have we ever gotten anything Star Wars in one of these boxes?
I don't think so. It's a keychain holder with magnetic fastener.
That's interesting. Includes mounting screws.
Oh.
It like goes, what, next to your door?
Yeah. Oh, I gotta open
What?
this up. This is
Oh my
kinda
gosh. That's interesting. That's really cool. The screws must be in there.
That's
oh my
cool.
gosh.
And see, the key
key
ring
is magnetic.
The key ring is magnetic. Watch. Oh, there it is.
Okay.
That's not YouTube magic.
Mm-mm.
That is just magnetic.
That's really interesting. It says stop misplacing your keys with the Star Wars keychain holder with magnetic fastener. Powerful magnet in the base plate and in the keychain fob means that your keys will stay safe and sound right where you put them. The base plate attaches securely to the wall with 2 points of contact. Oh! There's the keychain.
Look at that.
And then the keychain attaches to Born to be a Rebel. Attach the keychain. That's
Go
really
figure.
cool. Well, that's interesting, right?
I know. I've never seen one of those. Not to mention, if I did see one, I probably wouldn't have bought it in the store, but I'm super excited to get it in my box.
Because you wouldn't even know what it is.
Right? That is cool.
That is really cool. Okay.
All right, what else do we got here?
I don't know. You're holding the box.
Looks like we got a bag of some sort here. Oh. Look at that.
That's fun. Who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me? MICKEYMOUSE. That's so cute, and it matches your shirt.
It does match my shirt.
You're wearing
it's
your
the Mickey Mouse
shirt.
Club.
That's
Yeah.
really cool. This is from the Disney store. Wow. Oh, and it's got a zipper, you guys. And pockets.
If you saw our video, our live stream on Saturday, you'll know that we have some Mouseketeer cups.
Mugs.
Mouseketeer mugs that we are we're willing to sell to you for $23. No shipping. Okay,
No shipping,
just a flat $23.
This
We'll
is
take care of
super
shipping,
cute.
and we'll send the mug
You
to you.
want to see the mug?
Yeah.
This is the mug. We have extras. So it's the Mouseketeer mug. This is a Disney Parks mug.
So let us know in the comments if that's something that
You're interested in.
We
have a
we'll
few.
send them to you.
This is really cool. I love this.
Yeah, I do too.
This is going to be a nice bag for me to take to school.
Right. Well.
And then we have our silver bag.
Our silver bag.
Okay.
All right. Have we always gotten the silver box?
No. We used to get the bronze.
We used to get the bronze. Is this an upgrade?
I upgraded it a long time ago.
Oh, okay. A pin starter.
Yay, this was
kit.
on my wish list.
Oh, look at that.
I love that because it has Alice.
I like it too.
Are you opening it?
You don't want to?
No, go ahead.
Okay.
So cool.
There we go. Look at that.
I love it. And the Alice is my favorite. But look what that one
I
is.
know. It's
Big
Mickey.
Thunder Mountain.
Big Thunder Mountain right there. That's my favorite.
This is a good box.
And then there's Alice. And then you kind of
what? Let me see who it is.
There's Peter Pan. And then what was that? What's that one?
That's Jungle Book.
Jungle Book.
Which we talked about on our live
stream. We did talk about Jungle Book on our live stream. That was the last movie.
I'm excited about those pins.
Jungle Book was the last movie that Walt was a part of.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, that was a great.
It was a good
That was
box.
a great Magic at Your Door box.
It was.
Yeah. We're always excited to open up Magic at Your Door. You know, it's something new every month. So.
That's kind of the point.
That's kind of the point. Hey, so we are going to go ahead and do our 300 giveaway.
Okay, let's do it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I printed out the 31 names of people who did everything that was required to enter.
Right. The 300 giveaway, the person that we're about to announce is getting some coasters.
These are our set. We're going to give you a new set that are wrapped up.
You'll get one that's wrapped up. So
but they're
you're
very
getting the
nice
coasters.
Coasters, very cool.
Yeah, they're super fun.
So we have 31 names, and we're going to have our friend over here pick a number between 1 and 31. So
here we go. Ready? Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 31.
Your random number between 1 and 31 is 5.
And the winner is...
Brittany Ray Crawford.
Brittany Ray Crawford, you won our 300 giveaway. Head over to Disney Connections Facebook group and just DM us over there. And
or on Instagram. But I think I already have Brittany Ray. That sounds familiar. Brittany Ray Crawford.
Okay.
Yeah, her address. But
awesome.
Yeah, so that's super cool. I hope she enjoys those.
Yeah. Super happy. Good job.
Woo-hoo.
Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to the other 30 people who said I'm in it to win it. We totally appreciate all of our subscribers. We are growing. Like I said, we hit 400 today. So right here at the end of the video, we're going to be telling you what our next giveaway is.
But before we do, we have
big announcement.
Ready?
We're going to Disney World. Yeah. So pretty exciting. We're going to head over to Disney World. We're going to spend Halloween there. So we're going to be in Hollywood Studios on Halloween. And then because, well, Magic Kingdom was booked on Halloween, so we're going to do Magic Kingdom on the 1st.
Yeah. Super excited to do that.
Pretty exciting. If you want to come with us, we will book the trip for you down in the description, notjustcruising.com. But if you can't come with us, we want you to share in our experience. So
we have an idea.
We have an idea. All right.
We have some really cool postcards from Disney, and some of these postcards are actually visual development. And so maybe they didn't make it into the movie, maybe they did, but we have a lot of them. So we have Princess and the Frog and Tangled. They're very cool. They're Disney postcards. And we thought, how fun would it be to mail these out to our friends with the Magic Kingdom postmark on it.
Right,
which
so
is
we
super fun.
We will put these in the mailbox at Magic Kingdom
next
on
to
the
the
1st.
newsstand on Main Street.
Okay, and we'll send you out a postcard.
First of all, you Venmo us at Disney Connections, $5. Then you go to disneyconnections@gmail.com and you say, I paid and here's my address. And then we'll send it to you. It's very simple.
Yeah, perfect.
From the park. You'll
she
get
makes
some
it
Disney
sound
magic.
so much more simple than me.
It is. And we only have 100. So first come, first serve. We told everyone on our live show today, and we just started popping in those emails. So if you want a postcard from the Magic Kingdom with a Magic Kingdom postmark on it, let us know. Venmo us the $5.
And you know what? If you're the 101st person, I will buy a postcard in the park for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So don't worry about.
What are you saying? So if more people than 100 send it to us, we'll just buy the postcards there?
Yes.
Wow.
Let's do that.
That's a lot of work.
Well,
do you know how much work this is going to be for me?
We'll get a stamp. Yeah.
It's going to be a lot of work because I've got to address them and stamp them and carry them and...
I'll help.
He won't help.
My handwriting won't be
You
so
don't
hot.
want him to write on your card because you won't know what it says.
But
But
super fun anyway. Yeah. I mean, we want you to be there with us, but if you can't, we want you to share in the experience. And so we'll send you a postcard.
we will.
All right.
And for the announcement.
That was the announcement.
No.
Well,
we gotta show them.
Well, that was the major announcement, but then we did hit 400 subscribers. So, you know, we were already sending out our 300 subscriber to Brittany Ray, and now we want you to win our next prize. And we're really excited about this.
This is our next
Cogsworth, Jim
prize.
Shore.
It's Jim Shore, Cogsworth, Keeping Watch. That's the prize we're sending.
400
Subscribers. Yeah.
Okay, so you know what? I'm going to let her tell you exactly what you need to do to enter into this drawing.
Okay, you're going to like the video. You're going to subscribe and ring the little bell if you haven't already. Then in the comments, you're going to say, I'm in it to win it. And then you're going to... No, that's not what they're going to do.
No. All right. You know what? Let me tell you. Like and subscribe. Click the bell. Follow us on Instagram. Make sure you follow us on Instagram because we are going to be Instagramming from the park and we don't want you to miss a moment. And then finally, in the description below, you're going to find a Google form. I want you to fill out that Google form. That's going to be the easiest way. And then when we release the 400 subscriber winner, we won't have to look for your address because it'll be on the form.
And we won't sell your address and we won't call you for any reason.
Yeah.
Other than to tell you you've won.
Or to send you the prize.
Or to send you the prize.
Yeah. So exciting. 400 subscribers. We are growing. We totally appreciate everything that you're doing here for Disney Connections. We hope that we give you some happiness in your day when you watch our videos. We've got all sorts of videos, not just unboxings, but we have experiences. And at the end of the month, well, beginning of next month, we'll be dropping some videos from the park itself. We're super excited.
That's my line.
She's
we're
super excited.
excited.
She's wearing off on me after 20 years. So, all right. Appreciate you being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.
Okay.
Do I have lipstick on?
No?
I don't?
Yeah, you do.
I think I do.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I?
No.
Okay, good.